Good afternoon, Nancy. Welcome to Skydive DeLand. How are you?
I'm good, thank you.
What are we doing this morning, this afternoon?
Diving, yeah.
Something fun? We're going
Crazy.
skydiving?
Yeah.
Any special reason? You're feeling crazy when I jump out of an airplane?
Yeah.
You just
Who
feeling
would do
crazy?
that? Yes, my grandson said, who would jump from a plane?
Oh, you would. Grandma would. That's awesome. I'm happy to be jumping with you this morning, this afternoon. You want to say hi to anybody at home watching the video? All the grandkids, kids,
John,
friends, family?
Mel, Abby, Gavin.
Everybody at home watching you have all this fun?
Yeah.
You think they're a little bit jealous?
No.
I think they will be once they see this
Maybe
video.
they will, yeah.
Let's go have some fun, Nancy. Give me a high five, girl.
Thank you.
I'll see you in the plane.
Okay.
Nancy,
Yeah.
welcome back to Earth.
Oh
You
my
just jumped
God.
out of an airplane.
Yeah.
How do you feel? A little crazier?
Yeah.
You look a little crazier.
Yeah.
You were awesome up there, girl.
Well, thank you.
What did you think? What was your favorite part?
Well, jumping out was scary. I mean, it's so fast. And then, you know, coming down.
You looked great at free fall. Thanks for bringing Pine back to Earth. And thanks for coming to
I think I
Skydive
needed
DeLand.
some help getting up. My knees
Oh, we can fly. Let's see if we can walk. Walking's overrated. Let's just go fly again.
Oh my gosh.
Congratulations,
Thank you.
Nancy. Thanks for coming to Skydive DeLand. We'll see you next time.
All right.